Hello, my name is Yusuf. I am from Premium Choice for chef trading. Today I am going to tell you about the cream cheese. Many of the people in the market, they use cream cheese, either the brand name, maybe the country name, but you don't look exactly what is the ingredient in it. Many of the product which is available in the market, it has a lot of E factors, stabilizer, emulsifiers, and you know that about E factor, how good it is for your health. So in this, there are only natural ingredients, only 3 ingredients. It contains pasteurized cow's milk, lactic cultures and salt. Only 3 very clear ingredients. So you are looking for a healthy option. If you are looking for your customers' health, then you can go for Ammerlander Cream Cheese, which is available in 2.5 kg bucket and it is coming from Germany. If you have any questions regarding this or any of our product ranges or anything in this, because we carry around 20 plus years of experience in this field. So if you have any doubt regarding this or anything, you can get back to us. We'll definitely be happy to assist you on that. Thank you very much.